Ni suweng pas sakanti kudan Bosco Media Network kunrem chaksoa anga Alicia A sangma nasimang na dal ni Koborang ko para katinga. Kata bichongrang Mekalyo Airtel ni 5G service ko abachingata. Shillong Delhi beruat na gata sorkari SpiceJet paksasoy khagraka. Farmers market ko jengjalo abachingate unanga. Chumpa Koborang Sunibar salo Airtel ni 5G plus service ko adok ni skutung minister Shri Connect ke sangmani jakchi. Mekalya adok ko abachingate unanga ha. Mekalya adok na Airtel ni 5G service ko abachingate unanga ni sumayo adok ni skutung minister Jilman na akan pakatingon. Mekalya adok ko badaw 5G service ko abachingate nga hani gemen sorkari ni dingtang khamrang je khai. Anjing baljokani nani kami giani arwan dakapa khamrang ko nambate khana mangino kene pharakata ha. Airtel company oni uyatani gata de Airtel ni 5G service ko bakan Shillong sonjunma gemukon matna gata wamang khamrang ko khagenok.
So today, Airtel has launched the 5G services officially in Shillong city, and I take this opportunity to congratulate the entire team of Airtel for having done that. They are the first providers to have started the 5G services, and I hope that very soon they will be able to cover the rest of the state, and the people of Shillong and the people of Meghalaya will be able to enjoy high-speed 5G services. And as you are aware that the 5G services will enable us to provide citizen-centric services in a much better manner. And many other services like healthcare, agriculture, and other services will also be helped by the 5G services. So once again, I take this opportunity to thank and to congratulate Airtel on this great achievement of launching the 5G services here in Shillong and in Meghalaya. Thank you very much.
Sunibar salo Shillong aro Delhi sonjunmani gise posildoring bulurat na gata Meghalaya sorkari ningo Meghalaya Transport Corporation MTC SpiceJet paksa sungri gerkaning yo soy khagrkanga ha. MTC or SpiceJet ni official rang adong ni skutung minister Conrad ke sangmanim khango soy khagrkanga ha. Suldoring ko antio changani dake bulurat ken chongmutan sombar aro skubal salrango. Hazagani khubrik bilsion adok sorkari Delhi aro Shillong sonjunmani gise posildoring bulurat na gata Big Charter Private Limited Flybig Company baksa Sungri Grik Chingahachim. Suldereng ko ya hazagani kurgatam bilsini February jadapet Buluratna Khadung Swenga. Sunibar Salo Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Food and Civil Supplies Taxation and IPR Department, Shri James Sangma Farmers Market ko jengjalo abachingate unanga. Ya market ko rikat na Ministry of Tribal Affairs ni gata thangkarang ko chamata. Ya ko rikat na thangagong crore school points sochet kini nanga. Ya market ko bilsi hazagani khurgik ni Janrija o ni rikat na abachingata. Ya market ko rikata ni muksungani ko James K Sangma Jilman na pharakatanga. Absan salon Shri James K Sangma Jenjol ni Melyong inga Jingjal Multipurpose Indoor Sports Complex ni phangchakani rong ko phrakanga. Jiko Khelo India Scheme mamung sorkari ni ngurikat na thangagong crore chet points hutpunga briko chamata. Yotomani dongphag parang Graham Bell Jol ni MDC Dology Moment Arlina di Sangma Jenjengjal ni Subdivision Office ing padong paa. Yan dal na Koborang ani suwing basakanti kon metela.